Hello everyone, I am Teacher Angelie. We're gonna tackle about percentage. So first we're going to define first the word percent or percentage. So as you can see that that this is the sign of percentage or the percent. So percent comes from the Latin phrase percentum, which means by the hundred for every hundred or per hundred. Okay, so we have here examples. So A to D. Okay, so letter A, express the given fraction as percentage. Okay, so we're going to express these fractions to percentage. Okay, so how to express? So you just copy the numerator, then put the symbol of a percentage. That's it. So as you can see that percentage, it is also their denominator is always 100. Okay, so we have here number 2. You're just copy the numerator, then put a symbol of percent. Okay, so number 1 is 33 hundredths is equal to 33%. So the same as number 2. It's 49 hundredths, it will become 49%. Okay, so letter B, express each decimals as percentage. So if the given there it's decimal, so you're going to express each as percentage. So how to do that? So you just copy the value of it, okay, which is 8. This is 8 hundredths, so just copy 8, then put percentage. Okay, so the same as number 2. Just copy these numbers or digits. So just copy the 13, then put percentage. That is very easy. So how about letter C? Express each percentage as a fraction in simplest form. So we have lately from fraction to percentage, then decimals to percentage, then now is from percentage to fraction, then write it in the simplest form. Okay, so here 5%, okay, percentage to fraction. Okay, copy the 5, or this digit will be in the numerator. Okay, then when we say percent, it is 100. Okay, per 100 or every 100. Okay, so put 100 in the denominator, then 5 and 100, so that is not in the simplest form, so we need to reduce it. So how to reduce? Get their GCF, or the greatest common factor. So what is the greatest common factor of 5 and 100? It is 5. So divide it by 5 over 5. Then 5 divided by 5, it's 1. 100 divided by 5, it's how much? It's 20. Okay, so therefore 5% is equivalent to 1 over 20. Okay, next we have the 25%. So the 25 will be the numerator over 100. Okay, write it in the simplest form. So what is the GCF of 25 and 100? It's 25. Okay, divided by 25 over 25. Okay, 25 divided by 25, it's 1. 100 divided by 25, it's 4. So, therefore, 25% is equivalent to 1/4. So, how about letter D? Okay, express each percentage as decimal. So, from percentage to decimal. Okay, so, as we can see, 16%, number 1, it's 16%. You're just, express it into, decimal. So, you just put 0, then put point or decimal point, then put 16. Okay, that is because 16% is equivalent to 16 hundredths. Okay, so how about 28%? Okay, so the same as 16%. You just put 0 and decimal point, then 28. Okay, so how about 5%? Okay, so as we express it in the fraction, so 5%, it will become 5 over 100 or 500. So in decimal point, we will, or in decimal, we can write it in 2. Okay, this is 500ths. Okay, in decimal, it's like this. Hope you learned, guys. God bless.